Right, well, we need to melt the butter first. You do that. So, what are we making, Sophie?
Muffins!
Muffins! How much do you think we'll need to fill up this jug?
Wait, it said how much?
It says 70, but how much do you think that is melted? Should we just guess? And if we've got any left over, we'll just make it extra buttery.
What?
I think that should be enough. Right, let's melt that.
Hold on, we need to make sure.
Make sure what?
It didn't say melt.
It does say melt, doesn't it?
Ta-da!
What's that? But that's not going to help, is it? Because that's not, we don't have...
That was helpful. No clue.
I don't know how this works. Sorry, let's just melt it. And we'll put it in. I don't actually know how you work this. Yo.
Why are you like putting that in the mic?
Gotta be melted butter, that's why. God. How'd you work this?
Just do it.
You just do it. Just click power. Teach me. Oh. Right. Do you want to pour that into there and see how much is in it?
That's hot.
Pour that. Do you want to pour that into there and see if it's enough?
Yeah, it's fine.
You just fine. Let's just pour it in. Go on then.
Hattie Leos.
And put.
One egg.
Fill. Yeah. Do you want to fill that up first or?
One egg.
Oh, okay. You do your egg. I'm sorry. I put it there upside down.
This looks like a baby
Looks like
chick. Listen.
Go on then. Do you want me to hold this while you bash it?
I'd do it on my phone too.
Oh.
Helpful, isn't it? Hold that.
We just guessed the amount of butter, by the way. And you need 75. Oh, goodness.
Ooh, okay, no shell.
Oof.
Woo. It's really hot.
I thought it was fine. We need 75 milk, but this only goes up to 50, probably 60 at most, if you go to the very, very top.
This is a joke. I just got it on.
So,
Just do 50
Helpful.
then 25.
do you want to put the milk in before you start mixing it, so that way there's more, like, wet stuff?
Yeah. I'll do 15 then 25.
Okay.
Like Jade said.
Do you want me to hold?
Looks like 5.
Oh, goodness. Things like this make me nervous, because what if I accidentally, like, move?
Here we go.
Are you pouring it, or should I?
I'll take 3 rounds.
This is exciting
25.
stuff.
I can't see. When is
25 even on there?
20 just.
We'll do a little higher.
Up there.
What's that chunk? Oh, chocolate.
Just put random chunks in the brownies. Right, give it a
The
mix.
brownies.
Wait a sec.
No, not brownies. What are they called?
Muffins.
We're using this because what's the point in
This is too
making it ourselves when you can just buy it in a jar? You know, we're professionals here.
We're
Get other people to do it
preppers.
for you.
Yeah.
Preppers.
Prefos. Hashtag prefos.
Yeah.
Honey. I don't know how you work this. I hope you're doing it right, Sophie, because I don't know how this works, and you're literally an 8-year-old.
Well, that's us. Who cares?
That doesn't look on. Oh, okay.
Hello. Wait. Turn your bum on.
Can we not just ask Dad or Jade?
Who's got it on?
I don't know if it's on properly.
It is. It's on.
Because I don't know how it works, but Sophie said it is, so I'm assuming it is. Oh, this actually looks really nice.
This muffin like. There's no muffin like, is it?
It's a bit galoopy.
That looks very gloopy.
It doesn't feel gloopy though.
That
Do you
feels...
think that's done?
I know
or-
it doesn't feel gloopy, but it looks gloopy. I'm looking at the camera.
Do you think that's done, or do you think we need it to mix it a bit longer?
I thought you had a water to moment.
No,
So
I
I never
thought that,
made
but it doesn't
muffins.
say that on the thing.
Probably
It just
does.
says milk, 1 egg, and butter, melted butter. How are we supposed to know?
Your face is like a man.
A what?
Your face like.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Good, I think I might have done it.
Really? Come on, then bring it over.
Do we need another spoon?
I think we do. Nice one.
Say accept.
Why didn't you just pour it?
Do you want me to? Do you not want to?
No.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Oh god, there's still like lumps in there.
It's off the
Oh, God.
Chucky chips.
No, there was like a lump of like the flour stuff.
Seriously?
It's fine, I've mixed it in.
Are you kidding? You got that?
Actually, let's
Oh my
let's
god,
do that.
Emily.
And then we'll
I'm
mix
doing
it
a
bit
mini
more.
wash on that. Like, oh my
Right,
God.
should we
Look
like,
this.
mix it in a bit more?
Yeah, I'm gonna give this a
Right.
mini wash.
Do you have a whisk, Sophie?
Yeah.
Should we use that instead?
I was thinking that, but probably.
I mean, we started
You
with oh god,
probably
I'm
should
getting
be doing it.
want me to move these. I'm gonna put them there. We are professionals in this muffin baking business. I'm mixing it without the electric bit. Professionalism. It could be done.
And I think this time I should pour it because you were like, oh my god.
Well, we could always pour them in like that, couldn't we?
That's what I was saying before. But you ignored me. That's why I got this ribbon.
Okay.
Whoa, how
Well,
do you make
let's
that so
do it.
smooth?
No, I just mixed it. Extreme porridge. Oh god, don't put too much in, Soph, because we don't want it to like run out. It's meant to make 8, but I'm starting to doubt that now.
I feel like it's gonna make like 3.
Right, well just put a bit,
Extreme
don't fill that up to
porridge.
the top, and then fill the rest up to about that amount, and if we have any left over. I think that's about enough anyway, how much you've put in the last one.
Ah. Watch my YouTube channel. Stop watching this. This is like a vlog. Sauce.
It's fine.
So-
This is becoming a mess. To be honest, there's quite a bit left, so we could make 8, since it is at 8 nicks, but
I doubt that. I feel like we definitely should have did these two together.
oh well,
So
we'll have a
good.
mini one.
We'll have 2 minis. This one's the miniest though. Of them all.
There's chocolate chips around the edge, so get them in.
No, there isn't.
There is.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Chips. Snap.
Snap.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah. Right, now we've got to put them
Now
in.
the adult here. And I'm technically the one that makes mini pizzas on my own.
Professional over here. Okay, well.
Press out here.
Oh goodness me.
Good
Yeah.
boy.
Yeah. That's our like slogan for this video. Just go for it. And now we wait.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13,
Is there not a quicker way to do that? Can you not just hold it?
No. Now we wait.
Beautiful.
So that's actually the end of the video because for some reason we didn't film, there's a heart on my hand, we didn't film the end. I don't know why we didn't film the end, but I woke up like a while ago and I was like, right, better put this all together, and then I was like, oh, we didn't like film the cakes actually being done. But to be honest, I only had one. And we kind of destroyed them with this horrible icing thing that we made. So maybe we should just leave muffins to the professionals or something. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. You should definitely subscribe to Sophie because she started making videos and she's new to it. And I'll leave a link to her channel in the description. And yeah, that's all really. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.
Yes, sister.
Yeah.
Yes.